supplied us with this. This first comes to us as a trial, and we put it in, and we found it very, very effective with the fact that they follow the truck in and you don't get gaps. Now what we had in place prior to that, we had airbags. The problem with this site is the Palmerston North wind blows the airbags and they're actually getting pinched between the dockway savers. Now we also have a look at the dockway savers. We also brought these through what was Egmont Daughters, which is now Ulti Group. Yep. So and all of this was installed by Ulti Group. Yep. So very, very effective. With this type of setup here now, we've been able to move this and use this as a container.
Okay.
Yeah, and this now it follows enough to seal around there. Otherwise, this would all have to be built out to cover the container. So this works as, I believe this is what they use overseas.
Yes.
And this has been very, very effective. That it's a multi. We're able to use it for all of our trucks. We've only, in all of the 9 years, had one motor that we had an issue with. And I believe that's very, very rare. But no, they're very, very good, very, very reliable dockways. If I show you the maintenance and how some of these dockways say, these are the best invention that's ever been, I can tell you now, with the size trucks we've got. Some of them you'll see around the back there, this is actually bent. We had the rubbers on, and within about 3 weeks, all the rubbers were on the ground, split in half. The truck's just going, wow. Using the dockways to actually stop the trucks here, so yeah, absolutely brilliant. And I think these come with, I think they said a 25-year warranty or something, so they're still there, they get patched up, welded, they're still there, yeah, so they're a great invention, yeah. And the word dockway saver, that's pretty much what they are.